everybody. Brian Sheen here with Pacific Sky Games. Just want to give you a quick update, let you know what's going on. We're really excited to be announcing our new relationship with Paymaster Games. We're getting the Going Native Warpath rules back out to everybody. We're really excited to have these in our lineup. If you are a big fan of Native American or Polynesian miniature wargaming, then these are the set of rules for you. We're really excited. We've played them. We enjoy the models. Go to paymastergames.com for great models to support this game as well as tribal. So a little teaser there for you. We also want to let you know we've got a lot of great new things in the works. We're trying to keep you guys informed, but not let too much out of the bag. But we just added a new author to our mix, Mark Chamberlain, providing you a great set of rules. Keep your eyes and ears peeled for a new update. He's working on some great stuff behind the scenes. We're really excited to have him on board. Other than that, enjoy Patrol. Enjoy all the other great games, our t-shirts, our graphic prints. Drop a comment down below and let us know what you think about our current rules, what we have up and coming. Let us know what t-shirt designs you want to see. This is a community of gamers for gamers. And don't forget, get your copy of Going Native Warpath coming out soon. I'll see you on the battlefield.